Turn this one off so you can hear me. In person, this car is exceptionally nice. The paint, the finish, the body gaps, the chrome, the interior, everything is really exceptional. Much better than most of them out there. The 400 small block, we just had rebuilt. There's probably not 20 miles on it. $4,500. We just wrote a check to a machine shop, rebuilt the engine. It's got aluminum heads, got some goodies in there, so it puts out a little more horsepower. While they were in there, they replaced the clutch as well. This car is in excellent condition. 4 speed.